Hi guys, welcome back from your spring break. Hopefully you had some fun, maybe playing some games, listening to music, I don't know, coming up with some creative things to do. Sleep, I know a lot of you like that. Anyway, this is going to be my last review on area and circumference. We're going to have a mini quiz on Thursday. Don't panic, it's probably only going to be like 10 questions so that we can move on. So here's my final review. If you need more in-depth coverage, then go back to some of my older videos. Just a reminder that when we're looking at a circle, the radius is the line that is drawn from the center of the circle to the outside of the circle. In this case, the radius would be 6 inches. A diameter is a line that is drawn through the center from one side of the circle to the other. Pardon, my drawing is not perfect. In this case, the diameter is 14 inches. If you notice, if you covered up one side of the diameter, you will get a radius. So a radius is actually half of a diameter. So if I know the diameter is 14, half of that, or the radius, would have to be 7. Next, we talked about area. To find the area of a circle, that's the surface of the circle, or what we call the inside of the circle, we use the formula pi times radius squared. Squared means times itself. So when I'm doing these kind of problems, I always write down the diameter and radius every time I do these problems, because sometimes I need the diameter and sometimes I need the radius. So if I just do it every single time, then I'll have the information I need. So in this case, they told me the diameter. So I wrote down diameter is 14. But for the area problem, we need to know the radius, not the diameter. So that's why I write down radius as well. A radius is half of a diameter, or a diameter divided by 2, so I get 7. Once I know the radius, then I can plug it into the formula. 7 squared, remember you always do exponents first. 7 squared means 7 times 7, which is 49. Then times it by 3.14. And I will get 153.86 and then feet squared. Or you could say square feet if you didn't have the exponent. Okay? What about circumference? Circumference is the measure on the outside of the circle, like you're putting up a fence. Remember I told you there's kind of the word fence in the word circumference? Again, formula is this time pi times diameter. So it doesn't matter what they give me. I write down the radius and the diameter every time. In this case, the radius is 4. That means the diameter is going to be double that, because from here to here is 4. So from here to here is 4. So 4 plus 4 is 8. Or I could say 4 times 2 is 8. Either way. Once I have the diameter, I can plug it into the formula. Pi times diameter. And I say 8 times 3.14. Multiply it out and I get 25.12 centimeters. Notice I do not put the units squared, only units for circumference. I hope this helps you. Again, you can refer back to any of the other videos. We are going to have a little mini quiz on Thursday, so check back with me Thursday. Have a great day, guys. Miss you. Bye.